Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to always run an app as an administrator on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to run any app as a administrator, then I will show you how to do this. Suppose if you want to run command prompt as an administrator every time, then I will show you how to do this. Just click on the start menu, then type here cmd, right click on that and click on open file location. Right click on this your application, click on properties. Here you will find advanced option, click on that. You have to check mark this option, run as administrator, then click on OK, click on apply, then click OK. After that just run this application, click on yes. You can see administrator command prompt. That's it guys. So in this way you can always run an app as an administrator on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.